Alright, I'm just doing a wee shop update here. Just letting you know what I've got going on here. The timing belt on my van snapped. So I'll just show you it here. That's it there. You can see where the wee bits is wore off it. So it allowed it to spin round. And this bit here seems to be all wore. So I've took it apart here. I changed the so I took it apart here. I changed these wee bits here on the top of the engine there and put it all back together, but it's still not. It seems like there's no compression in the engine. So there's obviously some of the valves is bent. So I've started stripping it down there. That's going to be a separate video by itself. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just winging it myself. I was able to fix that black car. It's still running dead on. So I'm hoping to do the same with this. I'm just giving you a wee shop update here. The plan was with this here, I've everything pulled out because I'm behind on my solar work, and I've been using the wife's car on a trailer, but it hasn't been going too well. I haven't been able to take equipment or anything with me. So the plan here was to do nice shelves for the pack out system. That was just through the gaff for to do my temporary. So the plan this year was get one of them tow behind boom lifts for this van, to make it handier for doing solar jobs. But I'll show you. I got a new van. I'll show you what I got. So I've got this, a Mercedes Sprinter. She's 536, 163 brake horsepower. 516, sorry. I want to do a video on, I want to redo the inside here and have it all Milwaukee pack out. I see I have some pack out stuff in there, but I want to get it all decked out. Sorry, Bill. So I'll go up on it here. Do you see it? Seems to be working good so far. I'm going to do this one-handed here. So I'll not go all the way up, just go up. I can go up more so I can. So over in this part here, I'm going to do like a wee garden area, fenced off. I have like 2 polytunnels in it, and a load of raised beds, grow vegetables and stuff, and maybe get more chickens. And you can see a right wee bit up there. That's your controls there. I'll just click it back into place here for you. That's it. And you can turn the engine off from this. And that's a wee emergency, you pull that down. If the engine ever quits on you or anything, so you have like a minute or so or 30 seconds or so to pull this and get yourself down off the roof or whatever you're doing. And then I just made this wee temporary thing here. Put 2 solar panels here and use this bungee. Use this bungee to clamp them on. Seems to work alright. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. If you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I just done a wee quick one there, just a wee shop update and showing you my new van. So hopefully I'll be able to fix this one myself and get it up and running, maybe sell it or something, or just how long that, I don't know yet. But I just want to put something up. I want to put a video up, try to put a video up every week, at least one. So as I say, there's more videos to come. Just it's been a bit chaos with this van breaking on me, but hopefully I'll be able to get it sorted and do more videos for you. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe.